What's up, everybody? We got break 1199, 6 boxes, 2023 Bowman Inception Hobby. No purchase or payment necessary to enter or win. Reference a sweepstakes link that includes the rules and regulations. Teams are on the screen on the right. Let's get into it. And box number 1. 57 out of 99. Little team color match there. Carson Williams for the Rays. Daniel Montesino. Caden Wallace. Manuel Beltre. Jorge Ruiz. 2 blue autos. Michael Arroyo for the Mariners. 49 out of 99. And a Dalton Rushing for the Dodgers. That was a solid box. That would be the kind of box you'd personal that and you'd be like, wow, that was a good box. That was the box that I was looking for right there. Let's keep it up, huh? Empty box. Off the back. Yasser Mercedes for the Twins. 34 out of 99. Ludwig Espinosa. Jason Curio. Dernish Valdez. Anthony Gutierrez. How about a little Emmanuel Bonilla, 116 out of 200 for the Blue Jays. And a Juan Brito, 304 out of 399 for the Guardians. Empty box. I think that was the first booklet we pulled so far. Brady House coming in hot off the back. Yasser Mercedes again, dude. 58 out of 99. Justin Crawford. Bergola for the Phillies. Arroyo for the Mariners. Cole Young. Let's go. 22 out of 99 for the Mariners. And a Brooks Lee. 131 out of 200. Twins just having a break here, huh? Little Brooks Lee, dude. That's sweet. Halfway through the break, here we go.
Yeah, let's get it.
Typically, I have had very good luck grading Inception. They use a really high quality cardboard, where it doesn't have a lot of like edge chipping and stuff off the picture. So, I have graded successfully a lot of Inception 10s, yes. Got a printing plate in there. Roman Anthony, 60 out of 99 for the Red Sox. Yeah, they're really nice cards. Mikey Romero for the Red Sox. Tigers, Jace Young. Let's do the autos first, huh? Trey Lipscomb, 283 out of 399 for the Nationals. And then we got a Jet Williams, 26 out of 50. Let's go, dude. This case has just been sick. Henry Shavili for the Twins. And the 101 is for the Giants. For the Giants, Rainer Arias 101 on the magenta printing plate. That's dope. That is pretty dope. We hit a 101. We hit a booklet. We've hit some just banging autos. How about a real 101 now? Let's find one of those. Just round this case off. Empty box. Here we go. Henry Bolt, 26 out of 99 on the back. Sterling Thompson for the Rockies. Brandon Mayer for the Yankees. Christian Santana for the Tigers. Brooks Lee for the Twins. Kevin Parada, 2 out of 50. 7 out of 50, sorry, for the Mets. And a Cole Young, 173 out of 200 for the Mariners. That's the second Cole Young out of this break. I don't know if it is or not. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We do have, I think we have like half a case left for personals. We'll be on TikTok after this, selling personals of all different products. It is Heritage Release Day today. We will be ripping that live. We also have some of the top Series X garbage pail left. Not a lot, but we do have some. Empty box. Last box of the break. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Orange. Mason Aver for the Rays. 6 out of 25. Angel for the Guardians. Arias for the Giants. Yiddy Cappy for the Marlins. Ballesteros. That's a sideways, huh? How about a Brenner Cox, 53 out of 99 for the Nationals. And a 45 out of 100 for the Dodgers. Diego Cartaya. Let's go. That is sick. We like that. Well, that's because all the base is just penny sleeve for the most part. All right, let's do it. Brenner, Aver out of 25. Cole Young, Bolt. We had that Rainer, Jet Williams. Brooks Lee out of 200. Mercedes, Cole Young. Was I right? That was 2 Cole Youngs, right? 1 out of 200, 1 out of 99 for the Mariners in the same break. Mercedes, couple of those too. Dalton Rushing. Royal Mariners just had a break. For the Doyers, Diego Cartaya. And that Kevin Parada out of 50. Man, that is just a sick card, dude. That Brooks Lee was an auto, yes. That Brooks Lee is an auto. Got the B here, the L here. That's the whole thing. BL out of 200. All right, give us a second. We'll get into the last third of the case.